Good because nobody's out here. My buddy Callie got Jacone with me. Gonna look for some crappie, some bass. A little rainy day fishing. Spoon. Got one. That's my buddy. That's my son's buddy.
Where they at?
Oh, it's a nice one, isn't it?
Oh, you put your card?
Ay, ay, ay. You guys want any fish? Oh. Ooh, he's a little blown up. Here, I'll let you take the motor real quick. Ooh, crappie. Yeah. Like, he's actually not far enough. Look at that bait out there. Oh, I got one. I stopped for a second, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you keep scanning left and right, try to get a... Oh, I think I'll lose him? Oh no, he's a little... Oh, it's a bass!
Oh, a little guy.
Little bass. Whee! Oh yeah, there's a fish off the bottom here. They're eating it. You can see them. You get one? Oh, they chased my thing up when I reeled it real fast. Yeah. Oh, they're right there. I want them. Got one. Saw that? That was just luck. The basser. The basser. It's a basser. Ooh, that spoon got him so good. Triple freaking hooked him. Okay, sorry, my guy. Little 1 pounder. Right. Eight balls. Found out crappie. A couple of bass just chasing this bait. Just hopping a little spoon around them. Bam! Got the 3XD. Did I get close to you? Sorry. Jerk bait.
Which size do you have? A 7 gram?
Got one. I literally let it sink to the bottom and I just started reeling it. It's a little bass. That's funny. Little bass. Dig it, let's go. Ooh, here's, what's that? There's some crappie. Some crappie right here. Horrible cast. Oh yeah. They're all over it. This is crappie or bass? It's bass. Oh, it's crappie. It's a big one. Boat flip central. Aggressive little guy. Heck yeah. Look at that hook set. That was so perfect, dude. Right through his nose. Eee. Another one. Difficult today. Yeah. Eesh. Right. Out of here. Yeah, baby. Yep. Right away with that Texas rig.
Yo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Texas rig. It's not horrible. Better than what we've been. Yeah, baby. Ooh, heavy. I don't know if I saw him on the last scope or what, but yeah. Ooh, God, look at the poor guy. Look at the poor guy. Oh, get you out, bro. Oh, nice. I got you. 2-something. My biggest bass in a while. You got a chunky guy. Yeah. Homie was freaking, that hook's nice. It's perfect for that bait. Dang, dude, he's pooping out a poor guy. Seems healthy though.
Caught him on
I gotta weigh this guy. I haven't weighed a fish in a while. Nice. Goon bass. Nice 2-6er. Thanks, my guy. We were freaking on crappie, schools, they wouldn't bite, all over bushes. Freaking finally just went down to the shallows here and through the Texas rig and bam, hit a bass. That same bait, that fishing player's worm. All right. He bit that, it came right at me. Oh, it came off. I couldn't get a good good pressure on him. The little guy.
Alright.
Busted.
Like, what's all this?
Ah. Oh.
There you go.
The second I let it, huh? Ooh. Freaking Texas rig, huh? Way shallow, huh? Another little. Yeah, that hook, dude. Freaking perfect. I love that thing. Right through the nose.
You got all into it after the drop shot, how you're like, oh, she's big.
Fishing players. Another chunky chunk.
I started eating those chicken wings.
Ooh. Fishing player. Player. Oh, I need pockets in my ring. Look how I do. Shit. Didn't know I had pockets. Look at that, bro. That's perfect. Has that little gap, you know?
Yeah.
Just enough gap. Remember when
It's not a white gap. It's a worm hook, right?
Yeah, worm. Oh, so good. Remember when I caught my PB? I don't know if you saw that video. He was skin hooked, you know?
Oh, yeah.
I had the Gamakatsu. It just wasn't enough gap in it for that. Ow.
So I went to...
Oh, I got bit. Whoa, I got bit once. Oh, I had one. Isn't that weird? He got it and just swam right at me. Look at these freaking bass all back here, dude.
You know, make me throw on a drop shot,
Yeah.
like one cast.
Oh, I love this hook. This is exactly what I needed, bro. Just a nice. Oh, get out of there.
What's up? What's up, babe? Sweet, dude. We're still at the lagoon, bro. We're still at the lagoon, me and he's on another fish. Both the bass and the crappie.
Oh.
Dude, nice one, dude. Yeah.
Oh.
Dude, it's a good bite, dude. It's perfect for you, bro. Because you're playing out a little Texas rig worm, smashing them on it. No.
Yes.
That's an argument.
Let's go, baby. No. Yeah.
This is a bite pretty decent at Pyramid. For strikers.
Yeah, baby.
Are they boiling or just like? I heard a vertical is a big bite.
I don't know. Largely.
2 pounder. Later.